Activity 1. Create a product pricing template using markup/margin. Up until now, we've used hypothetical pricing to set product prices. In this activity, you will create a practical pricing template applying a 35% markup/margin using Excel. This hands-on exercise will enhance your expertise in pricing strategy and financial modeling. Follow these steps. 1. Open your saved workbook and create a new worksheet. Name the new worksheet product price. 2. On the product price sheet, set up the pricing template as follows. A. In cell A1, type selected product. B. In cell A2, type markup price. C. In cell A3, type margin price. D. In cell A4, type price difference. E. Format the cells appropriately. 3. Go to the input worksheet and create a table for markup/margin percent. A. Select the input worksheet and scroll down. B. Create table 7, margin/markup percentage. C. Type margin/markup and enter 35% in the next cell. D. Optionally, convert it to a table or use a named range. 4. Return to the product price worksheet and link values from the input sheet to the correct cells using XLOOKUP. Use the existing product valuation table in the input sheet. A. Select cell B1 and link the selected product in the input sheet with the formula equals inputs. B1. B. Select cell B2 and enter the following formula to link and compute the markup price. The formula is cost asterisk 1 plus markup percent. So enter the formula equals lookup $B$1 product underscore TBL hashtag all comma product underscore TBL hashtag all comma total variable cost asterisk 1 plus inputs B43. C. Select cell B3 and enter the following formula to link and compute the markup price. The formula is cost/1 margin percent. So enter the formula equals lookup $B$1 product underscore TBL hashtag all comma product underscore TBL hashtag all comma total variable cost /1 inputs B43. D. Select cell B4 and enter the following formula to calculate the margin markup price difference equals B3, B2. E. Format the values to 2 decimal places. 5. Test the template by selecting different products from the input sheet and observing the results. You have created a practical product pricing template tailored for your business. This tool shows exactly how much you can adjust your prices to reach your target profit. Next, we'll dive deeper into profits and profit margin calculations to sharpen your financial insights.